Take command of the road in the 2012 Cadillac SRX. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, heated seats, a power rear cargo door, and power front seats. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, a 40-gigabyte hard drive, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop in and take a test drive.